Little Rainbow Arts. Please do like and subscribe, guys. This is black marker. Hello guys, we are drawing a cake today. First we will draw lines. Now I am drawing the base of the cake. Now let's add some layer to our cake. As you can see, you have to draw two small lines. Now we will draw the frosting of the cake. Guys, follow me step by step. Ha ha ha! Let me tell you a joke, guys. What kind of cake do you get at a beach party? Sandy cake. Was it funny or not? Please do let me know by liking our video. Now we will draw the second layer of the cake. Time to sprinkle some magic. Add your favorite toppings to our cake. I like chocolate cake. Which flavor do you like? Now it's the final layer of the cake. It's time to draw the candles. Now let's make it even more magical with hearts and balloons. Let's make them smile. Now it's coloring time. We will first color the base of the cake with violet. Now we will color yellow. Color light blue. It is also called as sky blue. Light green color. Red color. Color pink. Now we will light up our candle with yellow color. Now our cake is ready for the final touch-up. Color dark blue. Ta-da! Our cake is ready. Please subscribe our channel.